We got a new toy. We're putting up a roof. I see it right there on the top.
In the heart of Michigan, where dreams take flight, we're planting seeds of hope under starlit night. With hands in the soil, we're chasing the sun, building a legacy, a life just begun. Every brick's a story, every tree's a friend. Michigan above the 45th parallel, with dreams in our hearts and stories to tell. Through sweat and through laughter, we're building it right. A home for the ages, we'll shine through the night. Through seasons of laughter, through trials we stand, forging a future, it's all in our hands. From empty fields to a home full of grace, we're carving our path in this beautiful place. In the whispers of nature, our love will grow. Michigan above the 45th parallel, with dreams in our hearts and stories to tell. Through sweat and through laughter, we're building it right. A home for the ages, we'll shine through the night. Together we'll flourish, watch our journey unfold. In the heart of the land, our dreams will be told. In the heart of the land, our dreams will be told. In the heart of the land, our dreams will be told. In the heart of Michigan, where the wild winds blow, we've got dreams to sow, where the rivers flow. Two hands united, building our own way, creating a legacy, come what may. From the seeds we plant, to the trees that grow, every single moment we're letting it show. Michigan above the 45th line, building our home, making the stars align. Together as one, through thick and thin, creating our future, let the adventure begin. Years of hard work, our story unfolds, brick by brick, as the future molds. Through sweat and laughter, we rise and shine. In this home we've built, together we'll climb. With every sunset, we share our dreams. Join us in this journey, it's not what it seems. Michigan above the 45th line, building our home, making the stars align. Together as one, through thick and thin, creating our future, let the adventure begin. So come along on this simple ride. With love and hard work, we'll stand side by side. Michigan above the 45th line, building our home, making the stars align.
In the heart of Michigan, where the wild winds blow, we're laying down our roots in the sun's golden glow. With dreams in our hearts and our hands in the dirt, building up our homestead where our calluses like shirts. Brick by brick we rise, no looking back now. Michigan above the 45th, where dreams ignite. We're building a legacy with all our might. With each step we take, we're chasing the sun, a journey together, our hearts beat as one. Through the seasons changing, we harvest what we grow. From laughter to the struggles, we're stronger than we know. Children now grown, but their spirits remain. In every little corner, their love is our gain. With every sunrise, we craft our own song. Michigan above the 45th, where dreams ignite.